Bonjour! This week I'm going to be telling you about an exciting project that we are going to be involved with at school. You are going to be writing a letter to a friend that you don't know yet, somebody who might even become a pen friend for you. So you're going to be writing a letter to somebody in Sheffield who I teach French to, but at a different school. So you're going to be writing a letter that's going to have a little bit of French, because the children that I teach are also learning French, just like you, but it's going to be mostly in English, so don't worry. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you an example of a letter that I've written, just so that you get the idea, and you're going to be given a blank version to write your own letter, and then hopefully you'll be able to bring something into school that I can post on to another child in another part of the city, and maybe you'll get a reply to your letter. Okay, so let me show you on the computer the kind of thing that I'm thinking of. So we're going to write a letter that's going to have the date at the top, because when you're writing a letter in English or in French, we often put the date at the top. We know how to write it in French because we've practiced it quite a few times, but it's there just in case you want a bit of a reminder. Jeudi 11 juin, Thursday the 11th of June. And we're going to start with bonjour, because that means hello. And I'm sure you remember that one. Ça va is how are you, and that's quite a nice thing to ask somebody at the start of a letter. Je m'appelle is my name is. So that's where you're going to put your name, just your first name. The next line is where you can write your age. J'ai blank ans. And you can put that in just as a figure. You don't have to write the word, that's okay. And then there's going to be space for you to draw a picture. I've just done a little picture here, or found some pictures. But you can put in whatever you like, something that will make your new friend smile, something nice and bright and cheerful. Might be a rainbow, might be something that you have spent your time doing in lockdown. It's entirely up to you, whatever you would like to draw. And then underneath that you can write a couple of sentences, a couple of things that you have done during lockdown. So you could have a go at writing some activities that you've done. You've maybe been dog walking, you have maybe played some football with somebody in your family. Have a think about what you have spent some time doing. And then at the end it says au revoir. Can you remember what that means? That's right, goodbye. And you can put your name, again just your first name, at the bottom. Okay, so there's a blank version as well that I'm going to upload to Google Classroom. So you know now how to fill it in. I've left you some blank spaces for you to put your name and your age, and for you to draw a nice picture. And if you want to say at the bottom what you've been doing in lockdown, that would be brilliant. And again, your name goes at the bottom. If you need that printing out, you can come to school and I can leave some copies for you to pick up. And when you've finished it, if you drop it off at school, I can then make sure it gets posted on to the right person. Okay, and you never know, you might get a reply. Good luck with that. Bonne chance. Au revoir.